aha ewo baby a owo we ye kasebo a abeto ye pono so eti e wo se ye gemu ntentem so if you say aban ni hia obi bia moa ewo baby a owo eye Reverend Father Abraham in the orphanage home children's home agidin ewo man mu ene de afi besoe obi aboabo ne ho ana ode kosa orphanage home enkasebo a ye nya sesi ane se ha aban edenensa ato orphanage ne so eti sambe ya kasa de ya to na apunu nyina mu omo ye nhwehwemu na mpanyimfo a ye adwuma wo ho nyina nso no aban de wona kogu ne kuku enye bone kwan so osusu se wodi dwumadie bia ene Ghana mmara emfa ebo abura na Reverend Father Abraham de sambe ya make say waje hane ode no ho aka wura eti mesrew apolisifoɔ se mo munye timamufo papa ba bia obehunu ni bia no twibe police station bia ɛwɔ hɔ na bo na maneye sɛ yɛ hwehwɛ no na yɛ sentiment ka no yɛ ntimi enhu ba bia no kora ne da na yɛ famra mo ni amede dwumadie bia mede ade bize de nkra yɛte ho asɛm bia yɛbɛma mo aso ate mo betimi so afrɛ line no sɛ wohu no na wo make police station afrɛ yɛn na yɛnhunu kwan yɛbɛfa so ama apolisifoɔ aso ate yebehia nwumre yakram
Daddy na sa Father Abraham ayi ni na yenim ne se oye obi oti hwiche mu de oyare de ede na nkaboni we wodi
hwe even ekrom ha ane regi ha obi mi se ni children's home na ye good enti obi ko chade ya ho no de ko sika bia donation mo ye manya se nketwa ejewa ebi ase ni se ni school and the winter for nipa appearance and your dinner papa and I said one. The pen wine no hey
Daddy me cry me what dream me
epitan is yarafo ani yarafo kai papa what you or your professional criminal papa you are look the make you can say show yi una me baba be so pe wini me bufre kan no dia nke be busuam o frifie wemu o frebusuam wemu etu ye ma wo komo enu nipa ba bia wo ko ene wi asa yakese woni pe frifie ba bia mu o nam ba bia no kohia no anse odi me be fie ase shero wan ka trust na access woni pa no nzo nipa papa no se ebone papa me ho adwemi
I trusted you. What am I say? And now the way na say make us some crash say won't feel me. Manga to say mommy innocent. I didn't know so arrest me mommy kan. Sana me no kan no. Abutre say watch me mommy say abutre. Me betina ha na me no won sire na me pretend say bibia nsie me boa.
Listen, the way you see things outside is not the way things work in here. Nya abutre. Enya me me beka the whole situation in trail. It doesn't matter.
And who baby chere me boa?
It doesn't matter.
It matters. Me mommy or involve her. Kobeka chere me.
Yes, your mommy. Yes, me say your mommy. You feel the pain that she is here. But then I can't let her go.
Why?
Why? Mariam, relax. And then the one is or why with some information for our investigation. She's safe.
Safe. Mackenzie safe. Who knows I can't trust you anymore? I didn't know we and no pretend they say we need me call me friend one won't pick me calls.
Mariam, it is work.
Work? Ah, me na me man we are work. Me from her picking why they can't be betray me. Why ignore me calls since morning? Where's my mother? What else? Remember me where me patrol please.
She's in the cells.
Oh,
she's okay, she's fine.
No,
I'm taking good care of her, don't worry.
Oh, cells. And also is safe. That's son out here. Mackenzie son out here.
Bibia I'm personally taking care of her. So relax. We just need her. You hear no investigation. You need to know Giant and besides, I'm not sure your mother is that innocent as you claim. I just hope she has nothing to do with this. But if she does, she's not going to score free.
Facha of Mammy away.
Sure.
Presenting after my death. And you cry through.
What is that? Sir, permission. Sit, please. Yes, sir. Sir, from what is that? Is that some permission?
Yeah, I've seen it. I'll go through it later. That's nice. Okay. You can go back to your duty.
Yes, sir. It's fine. Permission to return to our concern. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
After my death.
I said you made a way, Jayo.
Hey, me and I mean that. If you inform that I mean nine at you, if you want to go on a
Ah, some more. It is a papa one night. I know the two which him.
Let's say, the way dream you, me and many who are age Macana mean that.
Papa, you're a criminal, Papa. May bomb pass a police fortune.
Let's say, you were when they are lying, not like Sunny now, no sass you.
Only
movie meaning she. You say police way by your dim because solely like Canea, have been good that.
Papa, you're a criminal. When you papa bonnie, sir.
Now, Miss me bomb pass a deal of she be yano.
Yenchino, I was a police for Timichin.
She will say a chino.
Bonia with the baby.
Colaba and that no affair. No. And I don't know this argument. Yes, we mean. Some say a boss is a crochet inside. Some money on the so
no ye. Bonia would. Shen, I say more about the catching me. Shena, one could boss one to be out.
Now when I make a catch them,
when you say police case, there wouldn't be seen said I was.
So I'm a symmetry feminine, kind of me behind me. You'll be a me for bomb.
I will say we are madam. Me police babbage. Police cry, me rebel.
I'm proud of you. You
boss will go country. So what?
Hello, Limiana.
I may up now.
Let's say.
Separa.
Say in see and create says
you made him
miss my watch. You must sound not meaning that they were 9 crowds with their
pretend that Papa.
They be not you change. They be a piano. Ha!
Name you do my.
What? How would we find out? What? I'm a Pamabano, Daniama, when I'm Mrs. Seven. Show out he's right. They go down on a master boy. He said, woman for an issue, boy, he is you. Charlie, I would have looked at woman for that. I swear, boy. Another one thing, I back home. See. Now, why was it? They say 20 billion. Why we doing the manager about it? Papa, we want to say my training. Say you what? Yes, master. I'll pay you maybe you. Papa, we want to be hazy boy. I mean, I'll compare you maybe you. T, and see mommy down. I mean, carry you. We 20 billion. So what's up with the channel being at 20 billion? Actually, how we are so doing, Papa. The couple straight, and I'm dropping. I'm Papa. I'm for the company for them. I mean, maybe Papa, we easy and come to 20 billion. Hey, meaning show you and John at the BB. I'm in focus life. I also pay 20 billion.
And you cry, Nefro. Roy, my show. Roy, my own. Run, Sanya with your baby. And you cry, Nefro. And now, Batia Kumobi. Prophobia, Papa, you'll be from.
Father John Paul, right?
That's right.
It's your Hana or Tonton, I buy away.
In talk about it, yeah.
Me says to you. And Corana or Tonton or Orphanage. I buy away. Anna Omobusia for any movie, Anna.
In talk about it, yeah.
Where if you send a minimum orphanage?
I saw near more I won't say me, is a bit talk on it. And I'm in talk on it, yes.
She Simbia overcome Wahan. And no one in business. A dear do us an airport. It is a cripple woman, catch her me over here. Number one,
the Macan, the Colonel of every, the crowd on the Maca just a talk on it.
What you want to knock on here? But for Abraham or Tom Crana, sing
Me dear, so on Tom Raja, the infamous news or talk on it. Then we didn't think I was it. Me, Meduma and say, the Biscas. When it comes to finances, I'm not really able to.
Good. More Tom Crana, musically, and I'll just say one.
The media donations about home. And no scanner be big. Maybe talk about that, but that's because the donations have got for you. Can I keep you, sir?
That reminds me. Donations now for again. No more self feature, no more no must have feature or trauma or more provision stores. Mewa.
Yes, sir. Me doesn't keep you scared records.
What provisions, and my frank, and more. And a mammiata. Mewa as a mewa.
They need to be, sir.
John Paul. You cribble on ma, Mammy who's here.
Say the Macan,
So that I can help you.
Patrol me need the American. Look, crowd on the Macan. If you want me to swear, I will swear before.
That's okay. Take it. No, wait. You far away, I'm away from. Emmanuel say plus 3B. Mavis Asante 6A. Collins Owusu 4A. Apia Francis 2B. I'm away.
I don't go with you. New single media and say, physical, almost class, but new here and a more taking responsibility of Kuala. I'm going to be media. How would I know?
Take him.
Baby, and you cry, Nefro. Roy, my show. Roy, my own. Run, son, ya with your baby, and you cry, Nefro. And now, Batia Kumobi. Prophobia, Papa, you'll be free from. Yet, you cross to young to Mintramwe. Wait, dear, you pan to mow. Nana, no, madam, I'm sorry. A prosifonia bambo for one. Yenny, yes, I, any, I would talk. Yada demo see an angua bunting. Growing my after my death. Hey, he's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Nobody knows. After my death. Yeah, he's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows.
Dr. Olusi. Do you know child trafficking is against the law?
Of course I know.
And do you know that selling out kidneys without the approval of the individual is also against the law?
Indeed I know. And I don't understand this person. Who is selling kidneys somewhere? That is not privy to me. And for you to mention it before me.
Wow. It's in Krana Auto, a free orphanage one. Omoy, Omokohin, Omofahin.
And what are you told from orphanage?
Oh.
This is news to me.
You don't know.
Oh, what?
Listen.
It's unfortunate. A medical practitioner of a good repute has been reduced to the status of a criminal. How do you see me? Huh?
How do I see you? When you say orphanage one, me, my bet now 3 solid man. I know whatever that is going on there, and I know whatever that I'm saying. So you can't sit here and lie to me.
You know what? That particular orphanage, I go there to donate to the inmates. Nothing more, nothing less. Let me ask you, is it a crime to donate to orphanages? Tell me.
You donate in exchange of taking those kids, selling their kidneys, and making money out of it. And do you know what that means? Child trafficking. Murder. You're a doctor and you should know better. You do all those things just to cover up donating to them. Just to cover up your crimes. Is that fair?
You know what? I don't have much to say.
Hold it. We have the boys. The boys you've been selling the kids to. You're surprised. We have them. So you better start speaking.
You know what? I would crave your indulgence to allow me to keep shut. I wouldn't want to say anything. My lawyers are there. And if you need any more interrogation, they are ready to provide all the answers.
Lawyers. We are waiting for your so-called lawyers. Take him.
Hey, hold it. You want to hurt me? What is it? Let's go. Remove.
Sister Madeline. Meboa. Una onim nkra dodo orphanage ho.
Aye.
Ena onim nkra dodo a ewo orphanage ho.
Say me see aye.
Ko sanso nim nkra dodo ewo class BM ewo ho.
Pachon.
Good. Inti nkra na omo yira orphanage ho no. I'm fine.
Akola be na ira. Kola bi anyira. Akola bi ekise no mo ba wo mo be yenye. Wo mo da sugo. Akola be na ira. O ya da be.
Enkola bi anyira.
Kola bi anyira.
Enye una me hu se waso apia fastness nsa de na kotena doctor ne ka anim no. Hefa no de ne koy.
Doctor be. Doctor bi wo anka mo any wo nurse for betina ho. Doctor bi ama ho.
De betina ho huye. Inti na wo ha ene. Inti na wo te ha no. Inti no kwa bi a wo bia ka kire mi sesi a unim se motonton kra ben wo orphanage ho.
Nton kola bi a ho. Asem bia na makofa na da betale nipa ti we ni wonu mama na bawo asifa wonsan ka de basra no abrewa ti semme ene we baby amigina no fia kama didi ade e ba ni say aya de yasa no mo de mo se ka no
Bible say inti wonu mu nyina na mote ho na motonton kra na mo de mo sa Etobia Monton obia Emmanuel say o wifa enyo na wo sha mo so inti nkra ni ra woni me bi omko
Emmanuel say akola bia ni Emmanuel say wo
woni Emmanuel say
obia ma wa wodi Emmanuel say bia ma ho o ma mini mi aka be say adel
ma nya bosre me pesa me boa o no kwa bi e wo bia ka kire me
no kura wo mu ana makeka no
Why mo no beton kra no de ma me din ma bu bi din kire me why mo na yo ba
enton bia
lady called Sandra looking for you, sir.
Sandra?
Yes, sir.
Let her in.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sit down. Sandra bought me. Do you mean the now with the orphanage home?
I'm teacher.
Teacher. Class by?
Teacher class baby.
You might not say of him.
We didn't baby of 5. Sister Magdalene in the fan.
Sister Magdalene in the fan. And you miss also of him. Who catch is only motion.
Sister Magdalene now need that chair. Say, we be sad. Make us say, Emmanuel say, be in the class. You motion.
Now, so we need the same view.
We need me Sister Magdalene. We need me. So you should Sister Magdalene in the chair. Say, we be sad. Make us say, Emmanuel say, be in the class. We can't even feel simple before you have a fact. Akwane na apotina ena we kranye ononye onumpa na yakra so be say mpwensa mi na mi say na mfo bi abefa ononye onumpa apotina ni mushi
Uni we na na sha uni bi sa na mbuti ko say uni moshi uni there. I'll get back to you. Why? If there's any other information there you have to provide that, you will do so. I'll call you to provide. Till we finish this case, you have nowhere to go. I'll call you when I need you. And look, I have my eyes on you. At where? No. You've sent them to me? No, wait. No. Just be there. Hold on. Let me check it and go back. Okay, yeah, I've seen it. You know what? I'll get back to you later, okay? Thank you very much. You know what? Get the driver and the men ready.
Okay, sir.
We are going to a crime scene. Now!
Okay, sir.
police station. Hey, ada is somewhere there. Obisam say man or say you know my class. You ran or right. Minimum. And I'm say I some Magdalene at the farm was mamma. Hey, some sister Magdalene say when I want come. And I walk I just lady for. Now police case have been no by say me in pass him more. In pass him. No, no, so you man will say no question. If I be no question, no finding back was maybe I be some Magdalene in the fan. Media catches the idea because me pass him. Police case they mean you and then the crazy was a police case and you have me and me I know and so me they are my family today. What they remember how I know which you bye bye.
Said then I was update just a one thing will be what's going on.
I'm sorry about this whole thing. Your mom is not as innocent as you think.
Sister, mom is not as innocent as we all thought. Emmanuel Osei, he was sold. Yes, and your mom initiated it.
Mackenzie, as I'm not walking, when I'm saying no credit, I've told you countless times. Some mommy involved and how catch me.
Well, she still went ahead to tell all the teachers in the orphanage to erase anything concerning Emmanuel Osei from the orphanage.
That's true.
And they did that.
That's true.
So that's why when you go to the orphanage today, if you like, go through their history, go through everything, you will never find any name containing like Emmanuel Osei or Osei Emmanuel.
Now someone will say you mommy, I'm complaining to him. It is a crana hira, and Tina. Chinchina, who baby has a mammy not to Aquano. Jan 9, I'm living mammy and daddy. Hey, Mackenzie. No, what's surprising me? What moment do me home?
Listen, I know how you feel.
No, you don't.
No, I know. She's your mom. But hey, come to think of it. Mariam, you went to the classroom and you met this boy. And the next moment you went there and there was no sign of him. And listen, the funny thing is, they said he is not a student of the class and he's not. It doesn't even make sense. There's nobody called Emmanuel Osei in the orphanage. You are a witness to this. Please come on. I know she's your mother.
Sure.
Put emotions aside. Let's get to the root of the sea. And you made it. Say me keep your mom.
And you that's what we keep mommy for how many days? I want to see my mom. Mommy, who me mommy? Hey, police is your friend. No you say no cray.
Indeed.
We are friends. And to your police, I'm mommy or mommy. Do you understand, Mackenzie? I mean,
this case is complicated.
What I want to see, mommy, please.
A child is involved, and we need to, go through the due processes.
A child is involved, and my mom too is involved. Me, mommy, na be victim was here because I mean I'm be complaining, ma'am. One of my arrested for no reason. I didn't want him moving. That night, me, mommy, that no, mommy, can say me, please. I want to see my mom.
Listen, let me make this clear. Your mom is not a victim here. She's a culprit.
Forget about it. I want to see my mom, please.
You know what? I'll make arrangements for that. Let me see.
When? I want to see her now.
I'll make arrangements for that. Let me see.
Now, Mackenzie.
You can't insist, Mariam. Please, I'll make the arrangements and I'll get back to you. Let me see you off.
by death. After my death, after my death,
You've been there for me and I've been there for you. I don't want it to look like because of work and professionalism, maybe a misunderstanding, so I just want us to just quash everything and then know that I'll always be there for you as always, okay?
Nothing I'll bet you. Say we are sisters, I know that. But say how your sister indeed send your work na. By now, come on, me name in the Wofi, Mackenzie.
Listen, about mommy, like I want you to just know that even if mom is not there, just come to me. I'll be there for you.
No. See, mommy is different. You fear no my Johnny, no my Gigi, no my dad. Knowing perfectly well. Say baby and mommy dano. And you wanna also order. My catch you several times. Mommy is innocent. Why is it hard for you to believe?
This is not the time to prove his consent and not, madam. Just listen to me. I just want you to be strong.
Strong?
Okay, like yes. In case you feel there's nobody for you, just think I am. Okay, in case you are just come to me for
Naso woni ho enya ha na mnyam na ma hostino oni ho no nti wo kasa ma ni ho a da me ni na ofie oh menu me ho pa but it's already late.
Just be strong for me as always. I know you are a strong person. Just continue to be strong, okay? Everything will be fine. Let me take you to my room. Wait. Mario, calm down. Please. I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we lost Mom.
What's it? You lost who? Come again. Mackenzie.
Mommy, sorry. I did it. I didn't want to go to my mama. Mommy, I'm sorry. It's not my fault.
Bana. Me dem nti da bade na aba.
Wonim se father mo na ye chi o mu. Nim so obi akokuku.
What? Obi e dey. Miss Asem na aba e dey e be kan ti se dey no obi akokuku mo.
Asem na aba. E so obi akoselse wo no akokuku mo nyina.
Hey!
Na ne ye me mo ye me ya na se sister mother was so kan.
Sister mother na e dey.
Kan.
Ono so awu.
Hey, me ka asem chiro na.
Sister mother na die and I'm blame me a Sandra.
You be blame me say why dey.
Me Sandra na gitu nsem go e see I divorce ma. E sister mother na en watch me. Wala ke ka asem chiro e chiro go. Hey.
La semi.
Yes, I mean, you say, "Nice, you watch you."
You watch your sister.
Yes, near you, my woman.
I cried the abumi.
Hey, and you say, "Was here, baby, dear, to question was some to try and here back."
Only oh dear, yeah. And no number catcher on. We know me babo money, or shall I will share them or do. It's would dear, no number catcher on. No copy with Bishop, no so me drew fee. Near dream home because near Sini dear home. Hey, because I wants a father. Hey. Oh dear, make up. Why? Make up. For them. For them.
May say, but she there was out.
For them. For them.
It's a thing.
For and that dear Yantiasem pa Yantiasem day. In why you no minimum, I or minimum so I do. And Cassiabo Brown so sent I didn't Cassiaboba, and so I'll be ye, and Yahuda Swinty, and was here didn't Cassiaway a Bremon 10 times so. What I my Reverend Father Abraham, I said the Eddie Cabema Monte, send the orphanage near the Ansato, so now I take another work away you know. They say the I just say a boy journey as so. They say what better than any pabonini, Cassiabi, woman you want. Some make us say, dear, what would you not say more? So the Huno, not the rest of a fair posy for no, was send it to a buso. It's yet in I am sure who ye ever be I am. Say, who in pa, not so that can answer man. We say, which in a domu, say, Baya or Tutua, Enyam, no wagina ye. Yes, some walla. Say, no, a bankratem, a bank one cratem, you know, Mugana, Benia Brie. It's ama, or the am share. I know, woman in my gun and Tino. Wecha or pay and pim aharu. And yet, Sikano Bacana Potoka 200 billion. And I told her, say, wow, bet me, I didn't paboni free, abba, and Brandon, you know, or also at the Sensike, a bebo abasui. If you say no, aboso, and I'm semping for now at that orphanage, you know. I'm yet chill moko to a bank kumuno. Say nipa boni for be raho. Akunkuma munina na abani susu se eye Father Abraham ya and e di say nipa boni se medicine nyambrensem no. Enti no, odi sikaya to ni tiri so. Say wa obehu ni bia no. Odi say sikaya beda was. Mesra wona ma hwe ye. Na hia na oye nipa boni ni eye mabofo. Aha, ene ye de kase boni bisi.
Kromwa nipa boni fo ha, nyambe tua mo kama akoma.
We auditorium and rubber. Very serious.
Hey, nobody knows. Oh, dini akuno. Nasu groida susi apini. Groida siti printing kwa. Groida sudi abobo.
Medu ya sian maka. Sa Father Abraham. You see ni ho asem ba. Ankofo kana asem se otuntun kwala no kunkun. You see no hunim. Enu anim samiti e say waresa the house in Nkansah. Wo nanim e kwai. Waresa na nim. I look different person. Wo di ni pe wo. Eti no hwo yi anytime bi obekọ tina no. Se obi fro na wo free se onye nipa wonim na apochi no. Okay. So many years so to be pretending so yare for. Et na trapping means more than 15 years. Ah, you didn't know. No. Tell me, can you do it again? Remember for quite you over that.
Welcome, sir.
Easy, my lady. Resume your seat.
Thank you.
Great. So, as you are aware, I'm here for what you were told. I'm sure the head office informed you.
Yes, boss.
Papa no, so we need to put in some seriousness. That is why some of us have been detailed to come here. We need to arrest the situation. So basically, Omukache say you are in charge of everything for now. All right. So I'm not wrong. I'm speaking to the right person.
The right person. Yes.
And what did you say the name is again?
Detective McKinsey.
Okay. I am Chief Detective Ufigwachi.
You're welcome, boss.
Right. Thank you. So where are his documents? The docket and all of that. Right. So that is it.
Everything is in here. And there's one vital document that I received yesterday. Yes. I'll make it available for you tomorrow.
It's for the same issue.
Case.
The same case. Okay. Munya witnesses via so far.
Yeah. We have 4 witnesses. They're in our custody.
Right.
But they're not willing to cooperate. They're still dealing with that.
I'll make them cooperate, don't worry.
I believe so.
I'll make them cooperate. And I'm also told you have some newspaper pictures of I've seen them actually from the head office, but I want my men to also have a critical look at it. Old man deep on his arm.
Very dangerous man.
His time is here. Alright, so thanks for your cooperation and the hard work you have done so far.
Thank you.
And in spite of the fact that I'm taking over the case, I'll need your maximum cooperation.
No problem, boss.
It's very, very important.
Sure.
You have built the foundation of the case. So we are going to build on top of that. It means you have to be there all the time to support us.
I'm always
actually, Mekache IG said, definitely we're a part of our team. Okay.
I'm always at your service. Anytime, any day.
Sure. So we appreciate the hard work too.
Thank you.
Right.
After my death.
Don't try. My name is Kwadwo Nkansah.
What?
Easy, guys.
And I'd like to say good day to all of you.
Good day, sir.
First of all, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the IGP to congratulate you for being a part of this team and also sacrificing whatever you're doing to make sure we succeed in this operation. Now, answer the starting meeting, I want us to hold a minute silence for one of our officers who lost their life today. Actually, we are sure the killing was done last night. The lady who was in charge of the operation, the investigation of this matter. And remember, we had a very fine handover ceremony. And then she even promised there's another document she was going to tender in. And just this morning, we found her body lifeless. Yes. I want us to hold a minute silence for this lady. May her soul rest in peace. Now back to business. This should explain to you that Nipana Yeneno Edino and ye easy. They are very swift and very crafty. Until we have to be aware of this right from the start. This operation is not going to be easy. But I'm depending on all of you. Yes, I had a voice in the selection of who forms a part of this team. As you all know, you are from different districts, different regions. Because the issue at hand is a national issue. A very dangerous man and a threat to national security. And the Jumana Munim say it depends on the level of sacrifice that we will. So it's important that we put in our best. We can't fail.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, we just can't fail.
Yes, sir.
This is a national issue. And we need to save our children. I don't want to fail. And you don't have to fail.
Yes, sir.
But all that I'm saying is that these people are crafty. Officer no who and I'm suspecting this man. They were way ahead of the investigation. But we need to prove some difference. It is our time to show the world that we are a police force to reckon with. So guys, this is our trouble. We need to win it.
Yes, sir.
It's our war.
Yes, sir.
And we need to conquer.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Ubiao copies of these papers. We make sure that Ubiao a set of this.
Yes, sir.
And I've also sent electronic pictures of this man, the suspect. So guys, this is the beginning of the mission. I wish every one of you the best.
Yes, sir. Sir, before you leave, sir, I want to assure you that myself and my able team members, we are going to use all the experience we have. And then the surveillance team will do their best to make sure this job is executed perfectly.
Thank you.
And in all, in battle, winners never quit and quitters never win. Yes. We can assure you, justice will prevail.
That's right.
Thank you.
Aho! Ahoya! Aho! Ahoya! Aho! Ahoya!
Thank you, gentlemen.
Father Abraham assembly be dwena nkura me ntiase. So for say the obi no ntiase. We are actually no ntiase. I am because I shall say what fan nkura do ma ba ni monyam hye na eba. Ah me no mi enu nyira etimi ko donation ho. Na afi wa kwete se kotrebni. Oni fita no de ntuma tuato. Eno so ka sei. Say wona dwena e wori chimu ai.
Sadi bia onipa bia no fa dwena san wa di enti no se nyina dwen so a de be de kwa no nyadwene se menye mo se yarefo enti ku cheap so many years enti na ba adwen be na wo so bia no te be mo mu se so nipa ko mobo di onyadwene bi si so obo ankofo de ese eboa you do the nation one kasa crowd ko so fo yenum kura yenye bia ne de ko Nse akoma adwene da wuti mu a wona bi se anyi papa said you muka ne news ko wankra temu ne enema ekoso de sapa na o ye de a yakopo betua ne kapa oh esa se obintimi indimi nkana no sa asem sa otimi so anyi no kra because national TV indimi nkasa keke o ma encourage en ku di wum iti no oye very wicked very wicked nyame no betua ne ka nyame betua ne kapa obenya na ketua aye ka se nyame atemuda akwa we de obenya na ketua wo fom a enti sese am aye mranum fuye de na mo ya fa that is a good question you betua you be afa but ye ntimi for your pen ko be asi okay ni mo police fu nya kire na se ne betua ne dia na fe ye so anamo be asi tu ye truth because se upon some ye judge me am ntimi ko kire se ma ko kire no we prosecute no be 8 million ni mo no akoya ewi Ghana de no na say obitimi gina ma police for timi ko kire ne report no ya kire abansa kan dia afebe ba ko ba bedu medi ansara anamo asibitu betu si money 200 years very serious because they jina mo amenti asesa ko wetimi edidi na adwena ho sa wetimi ba fire wetimi asore se wo ye yalofo and your brain intino ye na you ne nipa yo baby do yeah yo baby do what did you say how you want to say
Good evening, man.
Good evening, sir.
Right. Thank you for coming. I hope BBI all right.
Yes, sir.
Now, this meeting is going to be short and brief. And the reason is that my new tip off. And Mukai said, I told you about the CID lady who was murdered gruesomely. I suspected the same criminal. And what is happening really is after studying the docket, I've realized some information was filtering in from a particular person. And it happens to be the very best friend of Detective Mackenzie, Lady B, a friend of Marian. She was the one supplying all the information because she used to work with Father Abraham.
Oh.
So, what do you think? I am thinking the same way you are thinking. I know that lady could be the next possible target for the murderers. Because she holds a lot of information. And that information, you know, and now Detective Mackenzie and Cody Bremy. And I'm sure these murderers know. So now, don't let us worry. It will play to our advantage. What I intend for us to do is to use the opportunity, the lady as a target, to our advantage. How? I'll explain, don't worry. We are going to provide an invisible security for the lady. We're going to protect her and use her as a trap for the criminal. Are you getting the picture?
Yes, sir.
Great. So that is why I assembled you here. Now you're going home to see the way forward.
Well, sir, I will just come in. From my point of view, I think, sir, we have to put an eye on her from a distance because she's very smart. So when we give her such distance, probably she might fall into the trap and we can get her.
Exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We have to play that into our advantage. Yes. So Fifi,
sir,
I'm tasking you tonight. We'll be leading men to guard around her house. Don't let us get so close or in. Let's be very watchful. I know definitely this guy will fall in our trap. So you have to lead the men around the house and the environment and make sure that any intruder that comes around is apprehended.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm going to do justice to that.
Right.
And I pray that he should fall within, so I will be able to grab him.
No room for failure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody say,
yes, sir.
Aho! 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 Thank you.
Ana odine chija obi owona bedi achrebiana ana sabani bina yaya ama sansem semi tutu yen yenyamie treyasi after my death. He's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Nobody knows. After my death. He's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Roy Moyesio. Roy Moye. Rono Sami, I would ye baby. And you cry, Nefro. Roy Moyesio. Roy Moye. Rono Sami, I would ye baby. And you cry, Nefro. And now, Batia Yakumobi. Prophobia Papa, you'll be from. Yet the cross so young to Mintramwing. Way dear, ye pan to mow. Nana no madam, I'm sorry. A prosifonia bambo for one.